Okay, now the meat. Jumping over an opponent to take their piece. Well, basically, without taking the piece, it would be not a very fun game. So, first of all, I would go to the legal moves here. Here, first of all, in this legal moves, we only consider moving one space if that space is empty. But we need to consider a jump move, meaning that, for example, if I am doing this and this is a red's move, this red for now can either go here or here. First, let me grab the jump move as well. So JR is going to be R plus 2 times DR. And GC is going to be C plus 2DC. Great. Now we need to do a lot of things here. So instead of just checking and pushing, I would mark this and use the reverse logic here, meaning that if we are not in bound, we would just return. So we would say if not in bounds, NR and NC, we just continue. We don't care. Otherwise, we would either do a single move or a jump move. So here, let me first grab the neighbor because I'm going to use this next spot a lot. So let's have it here, saying that this is state.board at NR and NC. Now, if the neighbor is null, then it's a normal move, right? Just like this. Otherwise, I need to check those three things that I said. First, I need to make sure that the neighbor dot color is different from our color. So this is not the piece color. Also, the square that we jump into is in bounds and it's empty. If this is correct, then this is a jump move. So like this. JR and JC. But then how can I differentiate between a single move or a jump move when these moves are being passed to the state up here? So I need to somehow differentiate between these two. In order to do that, I would put all of these in a toObject and then say this is not a capture. So capture is null. And all of this is a object. On the other hand, here I would say we are moving to here and the capture is now the R is NR and C is NC. Now I can differentiate between a simple move and a capture move. Let me remove this part because I don't want this. Now I know that I have used these legal moves a lot, so let me go and fix that. So here we need to say m.2.r and then m.2.c, and also here m.2.r and m.2.c, and I believe that is the only places. So let's go. I'm getting an error of the color on line 70. This is like this. So if neighbor is null, we push, otherwise we do this. So let's go here. Okay, now I can go here and I can go here. But first I want to make this a red color, because later when there is a capture, user cannot do a normal move. So I need to make this for now a red color. So let's go down where we render the board, well, basically here. Now for all of this we render move hint, but we need to know if the legal move is a capture or not. So I need to grab this, and we are using sum. I need to use find because I want to get the item that is being returned from here. So I would go here and say const hint is basically this, but instead of sum, find. Now if you get the hint, then you can add it. So if hint, I would add either a move hint or a capture hint. So let's say capture hint or move hint. So I need something here. What can I say here? I can check the hint dot capture. This hint again is coming from the legal moves, and here on the legal moves we added the capture property to say that this is a capture or not. So now I have two different classes that I need to write the style for. So here I would grab this and put it down here, and change these colors to something like this, and similarly to this, so that the user know that this is a capture move, and this is capture. So that this is a capture, this is a normal move. Now when we are moving to here, I need to remove this. So let me go to the game.js, and when we are moving here, after here, we need to say that the move that is being played, if this is a capture, then remove it. And let me remove this is legal to move, because basically they are the same. And since I want to use it, I need to find it, because some would return true or false, but I need this specific move here. So here I can say if the move is capture, then do the capture. The capture would be state dot board of some position to be null. What is that position? That is the piece that you are moving over it, and that is stored on the capture. So if I go up here, we stored the nr and nc to the move. So down here I can say move dot capture dot r and C, and that shall be it. So let's go and see. Now I can jump.